How to remove a taillight from a 2007 to 2012 Nissan Sentra. You come into the trunk and you peel back the liner. In behind that, you're going to look for the two bolts. They're hiding in behind plastic clips that are keeping a wiring harness fastened. With a flathead screwdriver, you can pull off the wiring harness. Here's a second one up top. These are 8mm nuts that you're going to have to loosen. You can get at the first one with a flat wrench, but the one up top, there's not enough real estate to get a wrench in. You're going to need to use a socket. With an 8mm socket on what I have a 4-inch extension, it makes work pretty easy to get onto the nut and loosen it. Once you have them both loosened, you can finish it off by hand. Once you have both nuts removed, it's as simple as pulling out the tail light. I'm doing this one-handed while holding the phone, and with the tail light turned down in this orientation, we'll zoom in and I'll tell you what all of these bulbs are. The tiny one off to the exterior of the vehicle is just your parking light, standard running light. Complete opposite side, the other tiny one down here is your reverse light. And then the two large ones, the top one, that's your turn signal, and the bottom is your brake signal. For removal, they all work the exact same way. It's just a quarter turn counterclockwise and the bulb comes right out. And if you're going to be replacing any of these bulbs, then the bulb for the side marker running light is a 194 bulb, clear. And if you're going to be replacing the reverse light, then that is a 921 bulb, clear. If you're going to be replacing brake light, that's a 3057, clear. And the same for the running lights, tail light is a 3057, clear. Well guys, I hope this video helped you get the taillight off of your Nissan Sentra, and if it did, let me know in the comments. I love reading them, I always make sure to reply, and hearing that this video might have helped somebody really means a lot. And if you want to go one step further, then hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. As well, check out this video where I'll show you how to do your own oil change on a Nissan Sentra. Or better yet, this one here where I convert a Nissan Sentra for living in.